Hello, I would like to book a table for tonight.
Let me check our reservation book for this evening, sir.
I need a table for 4 people at 7 o'clock.
I'm sorry, but we are completely booked at 7.
Oh dear, is there any availability a bit later tonight?
We have a table free at 8:30 if that works.
That's a little late because my parents eat early.
Would you prefer to sit at the outdoor bar area?
Is the outdoor area covered in case it rains later?
Yes, we have a large glass roof over the terrace.
That sounds acceptable. Can we book the terrace table instead?
Certainly, let me note that down for your party now.
Do you require a credit card deposit for the booking?
No deposit is needed, but please arrive on time tonight.
We will definitely be there before 8:30, I promise.
Perfect. May I have your full name for the reservation?
My name is Mark Taylor, and my phone number is active.
Thank you, Mr. Taylor. Do you have any dietary restrictions?
One person in our group cannot eat any seafood items.
I will inform the kitchen staff about this allergy immediately.
Is there a specific dress code for your restaurant tonight?
We recommend smart casual clothing for all of our guests.
Great, no jackets are required for men then, correct?
No jackets are necessary, just a nice collared shirt works.
Excellent, we are really looking forward to dining with you.
We are excited to welcome you to our restaurant tonight.
Thank you for helping me find a table so quickly.
It is my pleasure. See you at 8:30, Mr. Taylor.
Have a wonderful afternoon until we meet later this evening.
Thank you. Enjoy your day and see you very soon.
Watch the next lesson on the end screen now.